What up guys, welcome back to my channel. I got something real cool to do in the microwave. If you saw my soap one, that was pretty cool, but this is even cooler. It involves some grapes. I'm not a grape eater, but what I'm about to do, do not try this at home or in your mom's microwave or anything. It is pretty dangerous. So here we go. So what you gotta do, you gotta cut the grape, cut one of the ends off. Let's try this one. Then when you cut it up, but don't cut it all the way. Kind of leave it like a door hinge. Open it up so it looks like that. So I'm going to cut a few of them like this, and then we'll go from there. I get some grapes cut, so now I'm going to get the microwave ready and get them put in there. This is my first time doing this, so what you guys see is what I'm seeing at the same time, so if this goes right. So let's give it a shot. Please do not try this at home, especially with your mom's microwave or your wife's microwave. She will not be happy. Go, kind of turn the light off to make it show up a little bit better, but putting it in, shut it. Gonna set it for about 2 minutes. And let's see what happens. Woo! Holy crap, it works. Oh, wow. Holy. Let's go a little bit more on that. Let's try 2. Ooh, there it goes, there it goes. Oh wow. Probably a fire alarm, smoke detector is gonna go off. Holy crap, that is cool. Oh, it smells. I was also told to try it with a cup on it, so. Ooh, that was it. That's cool. Let's try next one. Fill it up with smoke a little. I don't want to set my smoke detector off. I'll try to cut some more, but leave them a little bit thicker openings and kind of a little bit thinner at the end, like the little hatch part. So try some, make it thicker and see what happens. Okay, I cut a couple more. I did cut a few the long ways versus like horizontal and vertical ways. So you got this way we've been trying. So I cut a few this way and see how these do. Here we go. I'm gonna try the one that we cut it the new way. Try it without the cup. Here we go. Oh, that's cool. Oh wow, this one's still going. It looks like it's working better. Now we're gonna try still the long way cut we did with the cup in it. Looks like the other one was moving around a lot, so. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that was cool. Here goes another one. Let's see. Woo. Oh, whoa, that was cool. That one was the best one of all. That one was good. Woo. Gotta admit, that was pretty cool. So, especially the last one. The last one was pretty cool when it shot up. But if you guys really enjoyed it, please smash that thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'd be really appreciated. And see you guys in the future.